To import a Google Analytics 4 setup, you need to follow a series of steps. First, create a Google Analytics 4 property by going to the Google Analytics website and signing into your account. Click on the admin button at the bottom left corner of the page. Then select Create Property. Choose Google Analytics 4 and follow the prompts to set up your property. Next, set up a data stream to collect data from your website or app. To do this, click on the Data Streams tab in the Admin section and then click on Add Stream. Choose the type of data stream you want to set up, such as a web stream or an app stream, and follow the prompts to complete the setup. To import a Google Analytics 4 setup from a previous version, you need to use the Migration tool. This tool allows you to transfer your existing setup to Google Analytics 4, including your goals, events, and audiences. To access the Migration tool, click on the Admin button and then select the Migration tool from the menu. Once you have set up your Google Analytics 4 property and data streams, you need to install the Google Analytics 4 tracking code on your website or app. This code allows Google Analytics to collect data from your website or app and send it to your Google Analytics 4 property. You can find the tracking code in the Data Streams tab of the Admin section. After installing the tracking code, verify that your data is being collected correctly by checking the real-time reports in Google Analytics 4. These reports show you the data that is being collected in real time, allowing you to verify that your setup is correct. Best practices for importing a Google Analytics 4 setup include planning carefully before you start, testing your setup thoroughly, and monitoring your data closely after you have completed the import. It is also a good idea to take advantage of the Migration tool to transfer your existing setup to Google Analytics 4, rather than trying to recreate it from scratch.